Corey Siegel, and this is the Corn Nibble mold I developed with Chicago Culinary FX. The amazing part of working with Chicago Culinary FX is the detail that they can capture in every casting. Something that the machine products can't do because it's all handmade. For chefs, we really see that as an artisan product, and we're able to showcase things like these natural vegetables in their truest form. The nature molds are really cool because it's really that unexpected activity when you're eating. You look at this and, oh, it's a piece of cauliflower, it's a piece of corn, and then when you bite into it, when your spoon hits it, it transforms right in front of your eyes, and it's just a totally different experience. You've never seen anything like this before, or at least I haven't, and to even just see the quality of the vegetable coming from some of the gardens to now this is something as a chef where we can respect the quality of the product and now transform that into a new experience for our guests. It's pretty amazing and fun. Silicone molds are amazing to use in the kitchen because they help with the cleanliness of plates, the consistency, the efficiency of when it comes time to plate. They're just really all around great to improve your cuisine. When competing, but even in restaurants, silicone molds are a great way where the chef can be creative, surprise their guests, do something fun that's kind of unexpected, and really give a superior experience. It's amazing when foods are in season that we can really capitalize on the full experience of that, showcasing, for example, an asparagus, the most flavorful asparagus you've ever had, and it looks like an asparagus, but you get this total other effect when you break into it. All chefs are constantly trying to push to the next level. Some want more comfort, some want to be the Michelin, some want to win world championships, and there's a level of expectancy for every goal you're trying to achieve. And with these molds, I can do that. I can take my cuisine to new levels, do things no one's ever seen before, and at the end of the day, blow minds.